Howdy folks, Chuck here, Why Not Wander. Tuesday morning, I think. Let me look at my phone here. Tuesday, November 27th. I was just fixing to get myself some breakfast here. Look at this, I'm actually able to walk one-handed with this walker now. But recovery is coming along quite well. So I'm going to set the camera here on the counter. I'll walk away, walk back. Just kind of show you. I'm not trying to show off, but just showing you the progress I've made. So here comes the big cat now to see what I'm doing. But you know, they told me the physical therapy, Nick at physical therapy yesterday mentioned, didn't I use a cane last time? And yes, I did, as long as I'm careful and get my weight balanced. Of course, my leg is still extremely stiff. I can't bend it a long ways, but I am getting better. I'm able to get around. I'm not having a lot of pain. I pretty much quit taking the pain pills they gave me, just dealing with acetaminophen and ibuprofen in staggered doses for pain as needed. Right now I'm doing pretty good. But now, Nick said use the cane on the opposite side just to steady myself. As I had mentioned to him yesterday, there were times when, depending on just what kind of maneuvering I was doing, it kind of felt like my knee might buckle on me. So the idea, let it bear as much weight as it can, make sure I'm steady, and can catch myself if I need to. I'm going to wander back into the kitchen, work on breakfast. I think I'd mentioned. Fix myself a bowl of oatmeal. I like it with a little bit of cinnamon and some raisins. Not quite a cup of oatmeal. Not quite 2 cups of water. Nuke it for 2.5 minutes. I have a hot breakfast. Work on that here. I can get around the kitchen fairly well without support because there's counters. Get out a little bit of milk for our oatmeal when we get to that point. Oatmeal is kind of a morning staple for me most days, along with a can of V8 juice and maybe a cup of coffee. Not quite a cup of oats in the bowl. And somewhere, right there, oh, that's pumpkin pie spice. Might be good, but it's not what I was after. Oh, there it is, laying down. Got it. Buy the cheap stuff at Walmart. Cinnamon's supposed to be really good for you. But I'm going to shake it up, otherwise it'll, when I put the water in, it'll all want to float on the water. So now a little less than 2 cups of water. Depending on how you like your oatmeal, some like it a little more solid, some like it a little looser. Mine kind of medium. Then I cover it with a saucer, so if it pops or boils or anything unusual happens, it keeps it in there. Plus, in my mind, it helps hold the heat while the meal is cooking anyway. So, and I got some dried cranberries, or craisins they call them. I'll put that in when the cereal comes out of the microwave. Let's see if I can find the makings for coffee. So Mr. Coffee, how hard can it be? We have our bowl of hot oatmeal. Just grab it by 2 fingers. One on each side up the bowl, or hopefully it doesn't get quite so hot. Grab a handful of dried cranberries, or craisins. And a little bit of milk. Okay, so there's my oatmeal. Coffee's brewing. Grab my cane, take it into the table. I think I had some V8 juice in the fridge that I brought over the other day. Okay, when they told me to start eating better, I figured a can of V8. It says there's 2 servings of vegetables per can on the large can. Low sodium. Supposed to be healthy for me. Can't tell you, I'm always good at eating vegetables and things, so that kind of helps me a lot a little bit. So, all right, well, I'm going to eat breakfast. Let's see. I'm going to try and get outside, do some walking. I'm going to go outside, go for a walk. I'm going to hand the camera off to Miss Linda. I can get the door if you want to precede me out of it.
Okay.
Close it on the way by.
All right.
A little cool out, a little breezy. Good to get some fresh air though, I think.
Well, from a distance we'll see the difference in how he walks. Look how good that right leg is. That is, he did his knee replacement on that right leg in August.
Main thing they told me, it's a little windy out here. Main thing, or one of the main things Nick told me, the physical therapist, is when I'm walking, make sure I walk forward to where my just my toes on the ground, and bring it forward to where my heel's on the ground. I don't know how well this will work with the wind, but we'll try it. I felt I was a little awkward trying to walk with that walker because my foot kept hitting the wheel.
Just be careful. How's that feel?
Feels alright. Feels awful tight, stiff.
Looks pretty swollen.
Exercise should be good. Yeah, after this I'll probably need to lay down and put the ice on it again.
Okay.
Ice after exercising helps with pain and swelling.
Like walking backwards, I'm afraid I'm going to stumble, you know?
Maybe you should just follow me.
Huh?
Maybe you should just follow. We may not use all of it anyway.
Okay. You see the bruises in the back.
Oh yeah, what's look like the back of that leg?
It looks kind of yellow. Kind of got a yellow tinge. Oh yeah, all up around your thigh. You can really see the yellow up around here. I don't know if it shows up on the film or not.
On the inside.
But when you turn around, you can see that purple. Yeah. Careful. Boy. I don't know if you can see how yellow that looks next to his other side. But that's all normal from that surgery. Quite traumatic. But boy, he's sure walking good. Once he bends that knee, he is determined to walk to the corner. There you go. Let's hope he watches that ice. How far are you going? That's it? Okay, I think we're hurting a little bit. Do you want to hang on to me on one side?
No, it's not. No, I'm fine.
Okay.
I've walked so far. It's just a little awkward with the cane, and the knee's still really stiff. Hopefully the exercise will be good for it.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see that bending doesn't seem to be an easy feat.
No, it's quite stiff.
Yeah.
Sore.
is chilly when that sun goes away. I took the dogs for a walk at the park this morning and it was much warmer. It was still windy, but with the sun out it was much warmer.